Alberta bound, Alberta bound. It's good to be Alberta bound.
Alright guys, in today's video, we have a bullet. Nah, just kidding, it's a knife. Check this one out. Isn't that cool? It's a Smith and Wesson bullet knife. So, today what we're going to be doing, it's kind of got some gunk in there, so we're going to clean out that gunk, oil it up a bit, wipe it out with the rag, and then we're going to sharpen it. This should work. I don't think we're going to need the whetstone. Ye ol' whetstone. So, let's get into it. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by summer, so please subscribe. That's my goal. Alright, sharpness test before. Here we go. Wow, look at that. That ain't even sharp at all. Man alive. Now, we're going to first run it through the coarse side to get rid of any nicks there may be in the actual blade itself, and then through the fine to smooth it all out and really put that good edge on it. Here we go. This is going to be a tricky one to sharpen. Let's clean out that gunk first real quick though. Man, listen to that. That is a lot of gunk. Yep, it's dirty in there. Alright, that's pretty much cleaned out. Let's see this. Let's dry out all that, most of the oil that's in there now. Alright, let's see this snap. Oh yeah, not too shabby. Yeah, it's a 44 Magnum. Well, hold on. This is a real 44 Magnum. A friend of mine gave it to me. Let's compare them. Well, they got the height right, and the width, and everything right. Look at that, that's pretty accurate. .44 Remington Magnum, and .44 nothing Magnum. So, Smith and Wesson, Remington. That's pretty cool. Alright, now we gotta figure out how to sharpen this little blade. This is a tiny, tiny blade. Let's try using ye ol' whetstone. Alrighty then. That should be good. Let's test its sharpness right now. Alright guys, I did some sharpening off camera. I think I got it. Let's try it. There we go. Look at that. You know what? I will take it. Let's see if it'll cut it this way. Booyah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by summer. And Knife Doctor, if you're watching this, I got a package coming your way soon. It's gonna be full of some good stuff. So keep an eye out in your mailbox for that. And a little sneak peek at my next videos. Just a little sneak peek. Whammo. Look at that. Alright. Don't want to reveal too much, but stay tuned. Subscribe to see everything in that box. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.
Alberta bound, Alberta bound. It's good to be Alberta bound.